Welcome back to Everyday English and Beyond. Today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful tools in the English language, modal verbs. These are words like can, could, should, would, must, might, may, shall, and will. They are essential for expressing possibility, permission, obligation, and ability. We're going to break this topic down into clear, easy-to-understand segments, and I'll be giving you lots of real-world examples, practice exercises, and interactive role-playing to make sure you master these modal verbs just like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently using modal verbs in every kind of conversation, from business meetings to casual chats. So, let's get started. We'll begin with two common uses of modal verbs, expressing ability and possibility. Can expresses ability or permission. I can swim. You can borrow my book. Could expresses past ability or a polite request. I could play the piano when I was a child. Could you open the window, please? Might expresses a slight possibility. I might go to the party. Extended practice. Role-playing scenarios, asking for permission, describing past abilities, and predicting possibilities. Quick quizzes to identify correct usage. In this segment, we'll explore how to ask for permission and express obligations. May, formal permission or possibility. May I use your phone? Must, strong obligation or necessity. You must wear a seatbelt. Should, advice or expectation. You should try the new restaurant. Extended practice. Practice dialogues for polite requests and strong recommendations. Creating short conversations with these modal verbs. Now let's look at predictions and making offers. Will expresses a definite future action. I will call you tomorrow. Shall, used for suggestions or offers, mainly British English. Shall we go for a walk? Extended practice. Predicting future events in different scenarios. Offering help in role-playing exercises. Now we move to giving advice and making strong recommendations. This is where English speakers often use should, ought to, and had better. Should, general advice or opinion. You should exercise more if you want to stay healthy. Ought to, similar to should but slightly stronger. You ought to apologize to her. Had better. Very strong advice, almost like a warning. You had better finish your homework or you'll get in trouble. Extended practice. Discussing hypothetical scenarios and giving advice. Practicing dialogues where you need to recommend or advise a friend. We now explore how to express necessity and prohibition using must, mustn't, have to, and don't have to. Must, strong necessity or requirement. You must submit the form by Friday. Have to. Expresses necessity but is slightly less forceful. I have to go to work early tomorrow. Mustn't. Prohibition or something not allowed. You mustn't smoke in the library. Don't have to. Lack of necessity. You don't have to bring anything to the party. Extended practice. Role-playing exercises where you set rules for events or meetings. Quick-fire practice. Deciding if actions are required, optional, or forbidden. Now dive into storytelling using modal verbs effectively. This includes expressing possibilities, past regrets, and hypothetical situations to make your stories more engaging and natural. Example. Storytelling practice. Imagine a time when you could have done something differently. Describe a character who must overcome obstacles. Create a dialogue where characters ask for permission, make promises, and express regret using modals. Extended practice. Writing your own short stories. Reenacting famous movie scenes with modals. Now explore how modal verbs are essential in business communication, formal writing, and professional meetings, making you sound confident and articulate. How to use should, must, and could in emails. Discussing business plans with might, will, and may. Negotiation phrases using modals. Extended practice. Writing mock business emails. Practicing negotiations and setting business expectations. We will bring it all together in real-world applications. You will engage in full conversations, role-playing business meetings, storytelling, and casual dialogues, integrating everything learned. Extended practice. Full-length dialogues, mock debates and discussions, storytelling sessions using all modals naturally. Congratulations! You've just completed this deep dive into mastering modal verbs like a pro. Remember, practice is the key to perfection. So don't just watch. Take what you've learned today and apply it in real conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Everyday English and Beyond, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more powerful lessons. Share this with friends who want to elevate their English skills. And drop a comment below on what topic you want me to cover next. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing. See you soon.